Here's a 2018 Ford Escape. Get away every time you get into this Escape. Its amazing ability and maximum cargo configurability makes every trip the perfect journey. It's well equipped with the features you need: automatic transmission, heated leather bucket seats, wireless audio streaming, rear parking sensors, dual zone climate control, Sync Connect remote engine start smart device, voice activation, active grille shutters, AppLink Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and EcoBoost engine. Car and Driver notes, perhaps best of all, the latest Sync 3 infotainment system, which debuted in 2016, offers a vastly more sensible, intuitive, and quick-reacting interface, including a pinch-to-zoom map feature on the 8-inch touchscreen and improved voice recognition. Every generation has its Ford. This one's yours. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.